Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Yo. You just spilled some packages?
Check this guy out. He tries to steal 2 packages but gets caught.
Excuse me? Excuse me? What are you doing? Put my shit back. Put my shit back. Put my shit back. You're on camera.
Alright.
Put all my shit back. All of it.
Right there. This package gone.
It's yours? Is your name on it?
Do you need something? You trying
Yeah.
something?
Bye.
A cat, a baby cat, trapped in your fence. I'm gonna get it. Okay? I knew that you're the cat lady. I got you.
Pretty strange. Not sure what to think of this situation.
Hi, it's Michael Stephen Crumby.
I don't know what that is.
This guy comes onto this porch and has a little tantrum. Not sure what his problem is.
I want to yell. Video. Tax collectors at your door.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Am I speaking your budget yet? R, Saturn.
Bro, this shit is not cool. It's not cool, bro. It's not cool. I kind of like looking. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, somebody. Hey.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello?
Hello? I don't give a fuck. Am I? Or am I stressing over Eagle Ranch? Weatherford is main castle.
This shows you that nothing is safe this season. Can't even decorate your own home.
HOA. He lives here. Too many cameras. Some of the people at every house are just this north side community. for no one to buy. Funeral. Tinted.
Check this guy out. Not sure what he has going on, but he seems to be begging.
Please, save me. Save me. Please.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hello? Hello?
This lady just opens up these people's door.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello?
Don't forget to keep those doors locked, especially this season. You never know anyone's intentions.
Would you walk in somebody's fucking home? No, I... Get down. Get down. Oh, sorry.
Hey! Hey!
Joe, they just stole a package.
They stole a package?
Yeah.
They stole your package?
No, it was.
This guy gets caught snooping around in this yard.
You're in my fucking yard. You're in my fucking yard. Get the fuck out of my yard right now. I don't fucking know nobody like that. Out my fucking yard. I don't know no fucking Elena. Hey, off my fucking yard.
This lady comes onto this porch and relieves herself.
Get the fuck off my porch. Now, before I fucking come down with my gun.
This guy has definitely had too much. Let me know down in the comments, what would you do?
Hey, brother, could I ask you a favor? Is there any way you could possibly help me with a blanket? I got stuck outside.
A blanket?
Yeah, just an extra blanket.
No, I don't, bro.
Okay, no worries. Thanks, guys.
Not sure what's up with this grandma, but she seems upset. Be careful trying to warm up your cars. At least make sure your door is locked. Here's another angle. Be sure to keep those doors locked. Got all type of strange characters walking around at night. If you know you're not gonna be home, please don't order no packages to y'all, especially not this many.
Can I help you? Hey, can you not steal my cat food? You're a fucking dick. That's just fucked up. Dude just stole tons of cat food for stray cats. That's just mean.
Back to you. Take it easy.
Hello? I think that late. Hello? Hello?
Help you? Can I help you? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Check this charger out. They said this is the second time that this happened. Do you think it's intentional? Let's make sure to keep these doors locked. Check this guy's reason out for not locking his door. The car still has a chance of being stolen.
Hi, I'm just dropping off your DoorDash package.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. These guys steal these pumpkins, saying they think it's for the neighborhood.
Bro, yo, what are y'all doing, bro? Why would you think that, bro? Bro, y'all need to.
Hello.
At least he dropped it.
Hello, what are you doing there? What are you doing there? Can I get help, please? No, you're gonna have to call the police if you need help, girl. Okay, thank you. Okay, you can go. You can go. It's private property.
This guy's real petty. He steals a drink from somebody's cooler.
Hey, yo, get that shit out of your fucking hands. Put it back. Put it back. Parcero.
If you're an entrepreneur or a store owner, I'm sure you know their pain. Check this lady out. She goes Picasso on the green cam.
What are you guys doing? Get off my property. Before I call the cops. What else do you think you're doing? Trying to steal my property? Fuckers? Get the fuck off here. I'll call the cops.
For all you bike riders, don't forget to lock them down or try to put them inside the house. This is the way these thieves like to get around.